Hey everybody. So today's topic is 3 weeks after starting my YouTube channel. Okay, let's get into this one. So if you watched any of my videos, you know I'm a pretty honest person. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is not easy. It's not easy. And the more I go, it's kind of a downtime for me in this time of the year. So I have a little bit more time than normal, but this is not gonna be for very long because soon I'm gonna be way too busy to be making 2 videos a day or 1 video a day or whatever with like minimal editing. I mean, sometimes I'm making 2-3 videos a day. I mean, some of them are shorts, but I'm doing one long one every day, sometimes 2. So I'm pumping them out if you've seen my channel. But anyway, yes, I'm looking at the Think Stand topic. Yeah, it's not easy. Like, you know, the more and more videos I make, the more and more stuff I'm learning. Like, okay, so I was kind of wondering about the promotion thing. Like if you promote your video, I'm like, well, you know, I'm not spending $250, but I tried it. I tried like $5 and stuff. I got a big boost in a couple of videos and a lot of subscribers, but then I find out that none of the views count and none of the watch hours count towards your, you know, you have to meet your goal to get monetized. Those don't count. It's possible the subscribers don't count also, but I ran it through ChatGPT like 10 times and had it go on a deep search, and apparently subscribers are included. And then it gave me a bunch of links to YouTube, you know, rules and guidelines and all that. And then I read it in that. So I guess, but then I heard other people say it in Reddit, that it brought up a Reddit forum, a ChatGPT brought up that, and it said it wasn't, but I mean, who knows? It could be some 10-year-old kid, right? But anyway, maybe it is, maybe it isn't, right? Whatever. I mean, I don't really care at this point. I'm trying to be positive about it, right? But I know the people that are making, you know, they're starting out and they're new like me, and we're making all these videos, and we're also researching on like how to make a viral clip, how to do this, how to do that, like how long until you got monetized, like what's the best like top ways to make a title or a thumbnail or this or that. We're all doing that. Like now I'm kind of like, and it's not been very long. I know that. I know it's not been very long, but I am seeing a part of this that I kind of don't like. Like I don't like how YouTube is changing the rules. Like in 2026, they say they're gonna, like I was kind of having some fun with the animations and stuff. You know, like I was making some of them, and then I was getting AI to create a couple, just, you know, funny little jokes and stuff, you know, just to help me get some traction. I was just trying to think of anything. And then I find out that those are going to be called, like, labeled as AI slop. They are starting to crack down on all these channels, right? So now, like, pretty soon, those aren't going to be allowed. And then not only that, repetitive content. So I guess that technically constitutes if you keep repeating the same content, or are you making videos with no audio? Like, are you just driving around in a fancy car and just live streaming? I thought about doing that with my race car. But so I'm learning all these things that don't count and don't help you. And, you know, it's kind of an eye opener, because now I'm like, okay, so basically, like, I was watching this one lady, like she got a couple million views on a short. And then she found out that she was able to get monetized. I think she got over the 3 million short views, and then she got all the subscribers. And then she found out that she wasn't allowed to be monetized because it's a black woman. If you find her, she's pretty good. She gives a lot of info, but they sent her a letter or email saying, which she shows, that she's not eligible because her content's too repetitive, and she was, I can't remember the word, inauthentic, I think was the word. So then she starts explaining what they meant by that, like basically not narrating. If you're in the video, like just like makeup videos, you're not doing any talking, stuff like that, and live streaming, and then leaving the camera on when you're not there. So she thought like she had hundreds of hours that were going to be counted towards her being monetized, and then you're not. So as you go, you're finding out like, okay, all these things don't count, right? It's kind of frustrating, because it would have been good to know all that. I mean, anyways, it's a bit early. I mean, it's only been 3 weeks, right? But for me, it's kind of like it's been a lot longer because I've been making a ton of videos, and I stopped editing the shit out of them, like, you know, cutting my ums and ahs and have it all fake. And I don't want the channel to be like that. And you know what? If I have to make it like that and all these like crazy edits and swirls and stuff, like, I mean, I'm not going to do it. I got better things to do than spend hours editing a 20-minute video. Really? I mean, people are just watching it to watch your content. They're not watching it so you can cut out every and ah, like the human experience, like I said in another video. Like, I don't believe in that. And if you're doing that, that's awesome. But I don't have the, like, maybe you have patience for it. Like, I'm pretty good with computers. I can figure all this out. I mean, my edits aren't that great. It's because I don't have any patience. But if I spent a lot more time, I could have all these crazy things. It's not that difficult. But I would just rather it be like super real. And, you know, if I lose my train of thought, I'm just going to lose my train of thought on camera. I'm not going to delete it and then pretend I didn't. I mean, I guess I could do that, but I don't really feel like doing that. I just feel like if I'm going to get an audience one day, maybe that would be part of the reason why they're watching. You know, all these news stations we all watch, they're all fake, man. It's like, that's why I like how podcasts have taken over the news. It's more real. It's like just average people not getting millions of dollars and caught under the umbrella of corruption. Like, if you don't say this, you're not going to have a job type of thing. We're all just like freelancing, but we're really not getting paid yet, especially the newbies. I mean, I'm starting to find this out. Like, if you think you're going to jump into this and make 10 grand a month, like, it's like winning the lottery a little bit. It's a long game, man. It's just not a sprint race. It's a marathon. Like, and you also have to be super lucky and have the right content. All these things have to fall in place before you start making all this money. I mean, yeah, you're probably going to start out making $40 a month or something, or $100 a month, maybe $3. You ain't going to be making no 5-10 grand a month unless you're that one lucky, you know, an 1/8% of people that make it. It's just the reality of it. I mean, some people, it happens. They make 3 videos and one gets 10 million views and they're monetized in a week. Yeah, that can happen, but I can tell by the majority of the people that I've watched, that's not the case. But it's a lot of work, and I'm only like 3 weeks in. I kind of knew this already, but it's quite a bit of work, right? To come up with ideas. And, you know, yesterday I did some polishing on my car. I thought people might be able to, you know, relate to that and, you know, watch those. And, you know, it's just kind of irritating. Like, you know, you look at your video that you think is going to be good, like, you think it's okay, and it's got like 6 views. You're just like, fuck, man. It gets kind of obsessive. Like, refresh. Like, you know, we're counting the subscribers. Subscribers don't even really count anymore anyway. Like, they don't really matter. They only matter to get monetized. And all of us that are doing this are watching this like it's like some tally every day, every hour. We gotta check, right? We wake up in the morning, go, how many subscribers did I get overnight? Like, I don't know, man. It's kind of bringing out the worst in me, this obsessive, like, casino type of mentality. But I mean, I do like making videos.